McCollum, and some of you have already got your oligoscan, which basically is going to measure the heavy metals in your cells. And the oligoscan is actually a spectrophotometry. Pretty cool. So what this does is it uses the full ultraviolet spectrum to measure intercellular levels of minerals and heavy metals. It measures the cells, the blood, and the interstitial space. Every element has a different atomic spectra or reflects light differently. So these are some examples of tests that we've done in our office. You'll see where it measures the minerals in your body. What's normal would be the green, out of range, and then extremely out of range would be the red. It also measures the heavy metals. Now these are dangerous. We have, in this particular case, cadmium is very high, mercury is very high, even aluminum, silver, barium, beryllium, all these things are very high. A lot of times we'll see lead as well being high. It will also give us an index of your heavy metal global toxicity, the acid or base in your body, allergies, intestinal function. You can see where the red is, that's telling us that there's a problem. Enzymatic state. It even measures the vitamins. So you can see that this particular person is short of the ideal zone of all vitamins. When you look at the person down below, her vitamins are in pretty good order. So we take all of this in together so that we can give you the best advice on how to be and stay healthy. The main thing is that to understand that this is going to give you a understanding of any upstream causes that may be causing the systemic problems you have, like autoimmune disease or chronic fatigue or problems with digestion, maybe your adrenals and energy, thyroid dysfunction. Anytime you get the toxins inside the cell, which this will measure, it's going to turn on bad genes. It's going to turn on bad functions because the cell is toxic. This means that, number one, we have to get those out of the body and out of the cell. We have to repair and restore the cell wall. We do this through a series of first improving the digestive function. We call it the downstream detox pathways. Then we start to eliminate the toxins, heavy metals, molds, different types of biochemicals that are out there, the glyphosates and the forever chemicals, out of the connective tissue of the body. Finally, giving room that we can detoxify the head and brain and pituitary gland and hypothalamus, so it has somewhere to go to get these out of the body. So many of you are coming in with things like peripheral neuropathy. The same heavy metals and toxins that are causing things like peripheral neuropathy in your body or autoimmune dysfunction can also stop the brain from functioning. And this can cause all kinds of things like brain fog to actual dementia. And so the more we get this stuff understood and get your body ready to detoxify it, the better you are. First step, come in and let's do your oligoscan, find out where your toxic levels are so we can put this into play as we're trying to get you your ultimate health. All right, so come get your scan, and then if you've already had it, we will go over it and show you what each one of these are. Key point, don't try to handle each one of these individually. You'll just create greater toxicity and greater imbalances. So it has to be handled globally. Hope that makes sense. Thank you, and we'll see you later.